Minister Amit Shah attacks the Congress manifesto after Prime Minister Modi had made a mention of it. Amit Shah says Congress has pledged property survey. Amit Shah says Congress manifesto indeed talks about such a survey. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh put Muslims first on the assets and did make a mention of that as well. Listen in to how Amit Shah coming out in support of what Prime Minister Modi had said.
मैं आज आपको कहने आया हूं, अभी कांग्रेस पार्टी को मिर्ची लगी है। मोदी जी ने उनके घोषणा पत्र में से सबकी संपत्ति का सर्वे करने का कहा है। मोदी जी ने कल कहा क्यों करना है इस सर्वे को। कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी नरेंद्र मोदी पर सवाल उठा रही है। मैं आज कांग्रेस पार्टी को पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे की बात है या नहीं है? राहुल बाबा देश के नाम में स्पष्ट करे। और मनमोहन सिंह, आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा था संसाधन पर पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटी का है, आदिवासी दलित का नहीं है, आदिवासी दलित का नहीं है। भाई और बहनों, देश भर के मठ मंदिर और सबकी संपत्ति पर जो नजर है वो पैसा कहां जाना वाला है। मनमोहन सिंह को याद करो, उन्होंने कहा कि पैसा पर, रेवेन्यू पर, संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटी का है। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है और हम कहते हैं संसाधन पर पहला अधिकार देश के गरीब का है, आदिवासी का है, दलित का है, पिछड़ा समाज का है। भाई और
So that's what Home Minister Amit Shah has said, and that the underprivileged, the Adivasis, the Dalits also have as much right to those resources. And he said that Congress party is suddenly flustered because Prime Minister Modi made a mention of what unfolds. Piyush Mishra joining me. Piyush, clearly, while the Congress party is charging at the BJP and at Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, the closest aide, possibly 2 p.m. Modi at this point, has come out in full-fledged support. Can we say this is going to be the biggest focus right now ahead of the phase 2 polling?
Well, absolutely, because Home Minister Amit Shah has also attacked the Congress party, saying that it indeed about that yesterday the Congress party had come out and said that there is no mention of any kind of Hindu or Muslim, but Home Minister Amit Shah now says that the Congress party is talking about doing a survey. He was addressing a rally in Kanker of Chhattisgarh, where he said, and I quote, Congress party has just got irritated because PM Modi has said in their manifesto everyone's property will be surveyed. PM Modi said yesterday that why the survey has to be done. Today, the entire Congress party is questioning PM Modi on this. He further goes on to say that he wants to ask from them whether this manifesto talks about survey or not. A former Prime Minister had said that the first right of the resource is of minorities, not of the tribals and Dalits. So the election is now heating up. Second phase polling is also to take place on April 26th. Before that, yesterday we saw how the Prime Minister had attacked the Congress party over its manifesto, with the Prime Minister said that they are talking about doing survey, financial survey, and then they would be redistributing the wealth among the infiltrators. Following which we had seen how the Congress party had come out and it has upped the ante against PM Narendra Modi, saying that there is no mention of Hindu or Muslim in the manifesto of the Congress party, and Prime Minister is trying to divert the attention because the BJP feels that it has lost its grip over the people of the nation in its first phase, and people are not voting for a Bharatiya Janata Party, and that is why Prime Minister is talking about non-issues. This is what the Congress party had yesterday said. But today, once again, we are seeing as to how Home Minister Amit Shah coming out and attacking the Congress party over its manifesto, where he's saying that indeed the Congress party had spoken about doing the manifesto and distributing the wealth to infiltrators, and what about Dalits and other communities?
Piyush, stay on with me because I want the viewers to listen in to what Home Minister Amit Shah added. It was to the remark made by Prime Minister Modi targeting Congress. Listen in to what PM Modi had said in Rajasthan yesterday.
ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे। घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? आपको मंजूर है ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है।
Apart from the manifesto mention, the main mention was toward former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's remark in 2006. That is what Prime Minister Modi had recalled this time. What did Manmohan Singh say about Muslims and the first right to assets? Here it is, listen in.
We need to be revitalized. We will have to devise innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, are empowered to share equitably in the fruits of development. They must have the first claim on our resources.